and welcome to my YouTube page, Cooking with Chandria. Today I'm going to be cooking up some amazing energy bites. Let's get into it. So how many of you have made energy bites before? I tell you, I usually buy mine from the store, but these are so much better and actually healthier for you. So I'm going to go through some of the ingredients that I've got right at home. I love for you to go through your cabinetry and see what you have to match. Also, I've got a nut butter. You can choose whichever you like. I'm choosing cashew butter today. The nut butter does not matter, honestly, you guys. Choose what you prefer. Here, you're going to find that I have the Rice Krispie treats, and I'm going to choose to use gluten-free. You can use whichever ones you like. And then I have honey. I personally buy my honey from a local farmer. Now again, the nut butter can be anything, but it's definitely got to be creamy. You probably don't want crunchy. I promise you, go with creamy. And again, your honey, you can use any sweetener, but we want to keep this sweetener very healthy, right? Let's stick with it. Gluten-free rice puffs, or you can use Rice Krispie treats, whatever you have at home, you guys. Let's make this fun. Use what you have. No need to spend more money, right? Well, also, I want to make this extra healthy. We're going to add a protein powder. It's an all-food, vegan-based protein powder. Delicious. Believe me, delicious. If you want to know more, check the links in the description. So I'm going to use chocolate protein powder, but we also have French vanilla. Some of the details about this protein powder is it's vegan, kosher, dairy-free, and it's a food label. As you can see, nutritional label. This is all food. It's got soluble and insoluble fiber. It is amazing, you guys. On to the cooking. I'm dumping in those Rice Krispie Puffs right into the bowl. Just dump them in. Now, what I'm going to do next is empty out my honey. Just toss it on in. Use a spoon, use a spatula, whatever you got. Dump it in there. Get all of that delicious honey. Remember, this is healthy, you guys. Yeah, it's sweet, but it's healthy. So let's use it all. If you know how much honey costs, you will not leave any. Don't you see me scraping out of the bowl? Yes, I don't leave any of that expensive, delicious honey around. Now, next, I have the nut butter here, and I'm just going to scoop it out with a tablespoon here. No real measurements. You just have to find the consistency that you like. Some people like their energy bites a little more creamier and some less. You see, I'm going for more creamy. I just went straight into the bottle and I'm just scooping it out here because you get to make these yourself. You get to eyeball exactly how much butter you want in it, how much sweetener you want in it. Look, these are fun. They are energy bites. They're going to save you money. This is all healthy stuff going in, but it tastes great. Again, I am getting all of this yummy goodness out of it. I'm scraping it off the spoon, making sure I get every bit of this nut butter off of the spoon, off of my finger. You guys use every bit. Have fun. Now here comes the fun part. That delicious food vegan protein powder. Check it out, you guys. Great. Now we've got everything in our bowl. Now it's time to stir all of this up. You're doing it by hand. No need for a blender and expensive gadgets. I told you these energy bites, they are simple. Let me angle it so you can see. These are simple, they're inexpensive, and you can do them in minutes. What time is it? We're already just up to 5 minutes. Wow. And we're almost done, you guys. Who does not want to try simple, easy recipes like this? Your family will love you for it, and you'll love them yourself. So I'm just giving it a spin. I'm going to put the bowl back down. The bowl is pretty heavy. But I'm just grabbing all of that honey and check it out. Look at that on the spoon. Look at that. So we're all done with mixing it. I'm going to grab a pan and I'm going to go ahead and start making these. I just wet my hands a little bit and I'm just going to stick it in my hand because peanut butter is a little sticky, honey sticky, right? So we don't want it to stick to our hands. And we're just going to bounce back and forth, roll into a perfect circle or maybe not so perfect circle. Just, it's yours. Have fun. And we're going to sit them on the pan there. And I'm going to do a bunch of these. So how many was I able to get on this pan? Wow, 29 amazing energy bites.